What should I do if I find a tick head in my dog's skin?
Hello, dog lovers and caregivers. Today we are going to discuss an essential aspect of canine health, especially during the warmer months: tick bites. Occasionally, you might find that a tick has bitten your dog and its head has become embedded in the skin. Let's understand how to handle this situation safely and effectively.
Why is a tick head in the skin a problem?
A tick attaches itself to its host by burying its head into the skin. If the body of the tick is removed but the head remains, it could lead to local infection or inflammation.
How can I identify a tick head?
Tick heads are small, dark, and can look like a tiny mole or freckle. You may notice some redness or swelling around the area. The skin might also appear irritated, and your dog may show signs of discomfort.
What should I do if I find a tick head in my dog's skin?
Firstly, don't panic. Here are some steps to follow. 1. Preparation. Wear disposable gloves to prevent any potential transmission of diseases. Gather a pair of fine-tipped tweezers, disinfectant, like rubbing alcohol, and a container with a lid. 2. Removal. Use the tweezers to gently grasp the tick head as close to your dog's skin as possible. Apply steady, upward pressure until the tick head releases. Be careful not to squeeze or crush the tick head. It's crucial to avoid sudden or forceful movements that may break the tick's head apart. 3. Disinfection. After successful removal, clean the bite area with disinfectant. 4. Dispose of the tick head. Place the removed tick head in the container and secure the lid. You may want to keep this in case your vet wants to test it. 5. Monitor your dog. Keep an eye on the bite area for a few days. If you notice persistent redness, swelling, or if your dog seems unwell, contact your vet immediately.
Can I prevent future tick bites?
Absolutely. Regular use of tick preventatives and checking your dog for ticks after walks in wooded areas can significantly decrease the chances of tick bites. Consult with your vet to choose the best preventative for your dog. That's our quick guide to safely and effectively removing a tick head from your dog's skin. Remember, it's always best to consult with a professional if you're unsure or if symptoms persist after removal. Keeping your dog safe from ticks is not just about their comfort, it's an important part of their overall health. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and here's to happy, healthy pets.